What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do a chest workout that you could do anywhere. No equipment needed. I'm just using a weighted vest to challenge myself. But you can just do it on the floor. If you're a beginner, you could also do this workout with your knees on the ground. It's follow along, so go ahead and do this workout with me. But first, I want to talk to you guys about my supplements that I use. I get these questions asked a lot. Which are my favorite go-to supplements that I can't go without? The staples of my supplement regimen is these two right here. One is the BCAAs. The BCAAs is good for recovery. This helps me recover from my workouts so I could come back strong the next day. And then second is my energy pre-workout. This thing is intense, gives me laser focus, helps me with fat burning, shreds, creatine, strength. It's all around a really good supplement for strength and endurance and energy. So these are the ones I take. So we're just gonna start off with the workout. I already have my BCAAs ready to go here. I have the guava flavor and there's a green apple, but these are the two that I like to use. And then the blue raspberry for pre-workout. So we're gonna get that going. We're gonna get this workout started. It tastes great, guys. We're gonna kill this workout today. Again, just go at your own pace. Give it your all. But if you get tired, just get on your knees and finish your set. One thing to point out in this workout, we want to not focus on amount of reps that we're gonna do. The main part of this workout is it's gonna be time, but we want to make sure we're gonna get quality reps for all of these push-ups. Every push-up needs to be quality. It's not about the number of push-ups we do in this exercise, in this workout. It's the quality of the exercise. You're gonna see me in these exercises go full form in all of them, and we're gonna go all out. We're gonna push ourselves. So with that said, guys, let's go to the floor and let's get it. All right, guys, we're gonna get this workout started. Again, the way this one works is we're gonna do 30 seconds on of each push-up variation, and then we're gonna do 20 seconds rest until we finish these exercises. At the very end, we're gonna do a push-up hold at the bottom. With any of these exercises, you gotta make sure you practice good form with every single rep. If you get tired, even if you're advanced, just get on your knees and finish the time. So we're gonna go for it and make sure you give it your best, give it your all. Let's go. Set, wide push-ups. Next one, we're just gonna do regular standard push-ups. Make sure to go all the way down, all the way up. All right, guys, shake it off. Shake it off. And we're gonna do some narrow push-ups. We're gonna finish this rest time. We're gonna go into narrow push-ups. Another 30 seconds. feeling it right now. So just shake it off. Go into diamond push-ups. All right, shake it off. We're gonna do some staggered push-ups. Staggered push-ups, we're almost done. You should feel every rep. You stretch it out, 4 reps up and down. All right, we're gonna shake it off, and we're gonna do staggered push-ups, but we're gonna use the opposite sides of the hand placement. We're almost done, guys. We're gonna just do this one and one more.
3, 2, 1.
Last one, guys. The last one's a burn. It's a push-up burn. We're gonna hold it at the bottom for the remaining 30 seconds of this. Last one. All right, guys, that was a workout. As you can see, really challenging. Killer burn at the end with that. Give it a shot. Let me know what you think. Again, if you're in advanced, you could go ahead and use more resistance by adding a weight vest. Or if you're a beginner, you can get on your knees. And at any time of this workout, if you get tired or you can't make it, don't stop. Just get on your knees and finish your reps for the amount of time. So that's it for that, guys. You could do this as a workout. You could rest anywhere between 1 to 2 minutes, or anywhere between 1 to 3 minutes, and then repeat this workout again for 2 or 3 more times for a full chest workout. So comment down below what you'd like to see next, guys, and I'll see you next time.